What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing very well. Pretty much today, what I'm going to be doing is fixing the fitment for my RSX. I actually ordered a set of spacers for my RSX from Titan. Look at the package right here. It just came in like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, we're going to see what we can do with these weak specs RPF ones. Hopefully the spacers aren't too bad. I kind of full sent it and got 25 mils. It might be a little too wide, but we'll have to see. I think it might be perfect, might be not, but I might actually rub, because since these tires are 225/45, so it's a thicker sidewall, so it might rub even more. But if I had my previous wheel setup, which was the 255/40s, I might have gotten away with it because the 40 series is like, you know, thinner sidewall, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let me get to unboxing these spacers and yeah. Oh shit. I don't know about this, boys. I don't know about this. Kinda nervous, boys. I don't know, boys. I don't know. I don't know, bruh. These are 25 mil. I'm kind of nervous, bro. Not gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna be too wide for my wheels, dog. I mean, it's quality stuff though. Titan, as you can see. I'm not sure if this is a good brand. This is the brand when I searched on Google, these were the first like spacers to pop up. So I was like, let me just give it a try. For sure, I know these are not like eBay ones. I would rather buy these than like eBay ones or like used ones, like, you know, you would get from like what you call it, Facebook group, whatever. But yeah, it's good quality. Can't say like I don't know shit about it, but yeah, I'm kind of nervous, but we'll have to see. On the second thought, I mean, they're not as wide though. At least I'm not running like 50 mils or some shit. All right, here it is. These are the Titan wheel spacers. Up close. I don't know. It's pretty thick. I'm gonna show you guys the wheel fitment right now. Like I said, only concern is the wheel gap, or not the wheel gap, the tire hitting the fender. Let me see. I don't know, man. I mean, if anything, if the wheels fit like, the wheels might fit like, I don't know, like the 18 by 9.5 spec or some shit. I don't know, it might look like I had like 17 by 9.5, most likely. But yeah, I actually gotta do some errands real quick, and I'll come back to you guys in a bit. So see you guys. Alright, y'all, I'm back home, and let's get to work. That might be perfect, bro. Look at this shit. It takes out a lot, but I think I'd be fine. Alright, let me do the other side, and I'll cut when the car lowered. Y'all ready for the fitment? Oh, this one sticks out so much. Get my toes off. I'm gonna lower it. Hopefully it goes all well, bro. What the fuck? Not bad. Yo, not bad. Hella clears. Why was I rubbing with my well, actually my previous wheel setup was 255, so that makes sense. I was rubbing, but these are like 225s, so it clears, dude. Yo, you definitely see the wheel more now too. Oh, that is perfect fitment. If I can go to like 235, 245s again, that'd probably be better. But yeah, I gotta focus on the fronts now. I'm more worried for the fronts, cause you know. But damn, dude, look at that shit. All right, y'all. This is the fitment for the front. I don't know, man. I might be cutting close, but we'll see. if I'm good. I'm actually good. I mean, I don't know about full lock, but ooh, I'm about to cut you close, dude. Sheesh. Bro, this shit looks sick. Oh, this shit looks sick, bro. This is like 17.5 Fitment, I guess. But let me twerk everything first, and then I'll show you guys more. All right, vlog. This shit like fire, bro. Right now, I'm checking the clearance issues. Damn, cutting it close. I think if I ran like a thicker tire, like 235, I might rub. So with this said right now, I think it's perfect. You can definitely see the wheels more now too. Dude, this is perfect, bro. Look at that. So it is possible with 17x8. The offset's plus 35, but if you get 25 millimeter spacers, it is possible. Just make sure you run a good tire. The rears, I think I'm fine with the rears. If you have dampening settings for your coils, I would say definitely mess with it, because I might have to stiffen up my fronts even more. Because I think 2 vlogs ago I put 14 clicks to stiff for the fronts, and then I think 20 in the max in the rears. So yeah. I don't know how this vlog will take me, because I don't really got much else to do in the day anyways. But if I do end up doing something, I will continue this vlog another day. And I'll see you guys like soon, I guess. Alright, what's up, vlog? We got Mong here.
It's not putting at me, man. It's all good.
I'm just playing. But yeah, I actually went to work out with my homie Mong for a while and hang out with the homie, you know what I'm saying? Good vibes out here, you know what I'm saying? But we out here. There's a little spot that I'm pretty sure everybody knows. But yeah, do a little quick photo shoot, guys. Just show you the off the Fitment. You know what I'm saying? At rubbing, I think. Hope not. But look at that. What kind of window, bro? I might fly and shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna take some photos for you guys, and hope you guys enjoy these photos. So yeah. All right, plot twist. I don't have my SD card for my camera, so no photos. But I guess I can show y'all the view. She feisty, bro. I'm just playing, but I guess I could do like a little cinematic with the iPhone, see what I can do with it. But yeah, again, hope you guys enjoy this little cinematic I can do, and yeah. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic I did for you guys. I don't know, I'll probably end the vlog right now, I guess, but I don't know, I do want to get some exhaust sounds. But if I do, I'll put it in the video. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when we do the exhaust clip. So yeah. Vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed that little flyby we did. It took us a minute to find a place, but you know, we ain't trying to get a cop out of here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little video I made. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the Fitment. I think it looks like amazing, because you know, it makes the car look more aggressive. But yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.